Our specialty started out primarily doing welding automation, but now we're into material removal, inspection, and testing also. The way most of the jobs come to us is either through the internet, trade show, or word of mouth. And so somebody will bring us a project and we'll have one of three answers. No, we can't do it. Yes, we can do it. Here's a quote. Or the third answer is we're not sure. And that's why we have a laboratory.
We always like to have a sample part. We'll bring it in. We'll put it on one of our machines in the lab, and we will prove that we can automate the welding process.
It starts from design all the way to the manufacturing floor. We allow ourselves to design everything from the ground up, so we have full control of every detail of the design. We all use Autodesk software to create 3D CAD models of all the mechanical design of our systems.
We're fairly flexible on manufacturing because we do it all in-house.
Having two different manufacturing spaces has actually opened us up to a lot more area for us to build these machines.
What we apply to manufacturing that other people don't do is we're extremely good at motion control, and we have a wide range of talent on manufacturing processes.
The process of programming our robots, a lot of the programming has to happen once the machine is actually completed.
All my project managers are good programmers, and that's the key to it all, because if you want these machines to work quickly and efficiently, you have to be able to write code, and that's what my guys can do. We have created such a formidable team now that we can solve almost any manufacturing project brought to us. That's my great joy now, is running this team, working with this group of people.